So as architects and professionals, what kinds of things are you starting to consider differently now that we have been through several of these fires?
That's a structural and materials thing. Using straw bale and plaster and not having things outside that will burn for the inside. It's relatively easy, not really terribly expensive, and just takes a little more attention to detail. We're standing in the wind right now.
Yeah.
If you can imagine that the wind was bringing the fire. It like wants to go everywhere.
Yeah.
So then shaping the outside so that the wind will just pass by.
Yeah.
And not trap embers, and
Right.
you don't want things that act as chimneys in your walls to the roof.
What I'm going to be looking at, I think we're both going to be looking at in designing this, and you've been thinking about this quite a bit, is how to get whatever the workshop area is to not be in the kind of prime spot on the property, and have that be subsidiary, easily accessible, but also not blocking your enjoyment of kind of the big, beautiful view. But then we have the issue of essentially it's a north-facing slope, and we want for passive solar most of our windows facing south and few of them facing north, whereas the view kind of flips that on its head.
Yeah.
So finding the balance point with that is another thing we'll be looking at.
I really hesitate to put all the effort and money into just putting a temporary road down there. So it would be purely for the service of having a place to stay for some period of time. But plan B is, well, why don't we build something out here that's like an ADU or will be maybe a future studio or something.
Right.
And I think container straw bale would be a candidate.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is perfect.